Hi, my beauties. In this video, we're going to be looking at a particular ingredient called benzoyl peroxide, also known as BPO, which is an ingredient that helps to kill acne-causing bacteria. This is a popular ingredient in acne treatments. And I just want to bring this to your attention to be aware of this ingredient and what it can do. So studies have shown that BPO, when exposed to warm temperatures, can break down into benzene, a known carcinogen. In fact, an independent lab recently detected high levels of benzene in several acne treatments from well-known brands like Clinique and Clearasil. While benzoyl peroxide is still widely used, these findings raise concerns about the safety of long-term exposure and the lack of regulation in how these products are stored and formulated. Benzoyl peroxide is not just found in acne treatments. It also can be found in chemical sunscreens. So what can we do about this? First of all, make sure that you read the full list of ingredients, and make sure that the ingredients do not contain benzoyl peroxide or BPO or benzene. There are alternatives available though. For example, instead of relying on benzoyl peroxide or the other harsh acne treatments that strip the skin of its natural balance, a holistic approach will focus on supporting the skin's microbiome. This is the beneficial bacteria that help maintain skin health. They will also reduce inflammation rather than just drying out spots and pimples. And you can use natural botanicals and clays that work in harmony with the skin. One of my favorite ingredients to use are essential oils. They are antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and have skin balancing properties. And we do offer, for example, at the Aroma Shop, we have a phytotherapy toning lotion, which is formulated with essential oils and hydrolates that balance the skin's microbiome without disrupting its natural defenses, and tones and refreshes without alcohol or any synthetic chemicals. And there are many other choices. You could use just the plain hydrolates or hydrosols, as they are also known, such as cucumber or rose, with, say, a little bit of witch hazel in. If you are planning to work with essential oils, please do consult a clinical aromatherapist before using, in order that you may choose the best oils for you. Now, for sunscreens, you can use natural sunscreens. For example, mineral foundation, if it's made with zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, will protect the skin from the sun. And you want a little bit of sun anyway in order to get your vitamin D. So you don't have to put a full block sunblock on your face. You can wear a hat as well when you're out sunbathing. So you can take control of your skincare also by making your own, so you know exactly what is in your products. Or you can buy from a company that makes products using only 100% natural and safe ingredients. So if you would like to make your own products, you can visit us at the Aroma Shop, where we have courses and we have ebooks and all the ingredients needed for you to make your own skincare and makeup products. Or you could buy the finished product at Purèz or Purèz. So it's bye for now, my beauties. And if you have any questions, do please feel free to contact me at any time. And it's bye for now.